So, ma'am, I have a question for you. As a patent attorney, what three main tips you want to give to especially inventors of India? And what are the most common mistakes you are observing as a patent attorney that is frequently done by the inventors of India specifically?
Yeah, very good question, Pratik. What I have observed in my experience while drafting of any complete specification, the inventor is not able to provide sufficient data. Maybe he has genuinely conducted the research work, but what we suggest that every time he should maintain a diary from day one he starts the experiment, and so that he can provide maximum of the data, comparative data, so that the specification is very complete in all sense. And secondly, many we have seen, especially in educational institutions, the inventors are more inclined to publish their research work than to file patents. So I've written a whole poem on this also, and the 4 golden words which I suggest to all the inventors is that first file, then publish. So you should first go for, at least if the invention is not complete, the research work is not done, still you should file a provisional application wherein you get another 12 months time to file the complete specification, and then you go file it in whichever journal you are willing to. And thirdly, a very important thing is that sometimes inventor feels that he is the inventor, he knows the invention, so he can himself draft and file the application in the patent office. But there is a mistake. We always suggest hiring a qualified registered patent agent or a patent attorney who is skilled in his profession. So because we know how to, at the time of prosecution, what are the probable objections which can be raised by the controller. So in view of all these things, we just draft the complete specification. So these 3 things I think are important while drafting specification.
Thank you so much, ma'am.